Hello friends, problem set 39. Write how many rupees and how many paise. First and foremost, always remember 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. Okay. You can also see in your textbook there are few 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise, 5 rupees is equal to 500 paise, 0.50 rupees is equal to 0.5 rupees is equal to 50 paise. So there are few breakups. Okay, so please learn this chart properly, so it will become easier for you to understand. Now let us solve. I have written all the questions in my maths notebook. So always remember 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. So how you are going to write this? See, after point we should always have two numbers. Okay, because see here there are 2 numbers, no? So here also after point there should be 2 numbers. So this is the value of rupees and this is the value of paise. So it is 58 rupees 43 paise. Okay, 9 rupees 30 paise. Okay, because there are 2 numbers after the decimal point. 2 rupees and 30 paise, right? Then the fourth sum, 2 rupees and 30 paise. Okay, because see after point you should have 2 numbers. Okay children, now moving to our second question number 2. Write how many rupees in decimal form. So here how you are going to write? First, see, value at paise's place there are 2 digits, so you will write 25.6. 6 rupees, 6 and 25 paise. Then 15 rupees and 70 paise. Okay, then it is rupees 8 and see after point there should be 2 digits, no? But here there is just 1 digit. So what you will do? 5 you will put and you will put 0 over here. So 8 rupees and 5 paise. Then this is 22 rupees and how many paises? See, there is only single digit, so you will write 4, but you require 2 digits, so you will put 0 here, not afterwards. Here you can put 0 afterwards, but when you are writing here you have to put 0 here after the point only. So it is 4 paise, it is not 40 paise. Now see, 720 paise. See, 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise, right? So 7 rupees 7 and these are 2 numbers, so it is 20 paise. Okay, write how many meters and how many centimeters. Now you should remember 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So here see 58.75 meter. So how you are going to write? 58 meter and 75 centimeter. Okay, always remember after point there should be 2 numbers. Okay, Now next one, 9 meters and 30 centimeters. See, you can write just cm also like this, but now 0.30, so no need to write 0.30, you can directly write 30 centimeters because this has no value, we are just talking about this, so it is 30 centimeters. Now here see 0.3 meters, you can write 0.3 centimeters. See, there should be two digit, so it becomes 0.30, okay, meters. And then you will write, because you have to have two digits over here, no, because after point there should be always two digits, because here see there are two zeros, so this is also 30 centimeters. Now 1 meter and 62 centimeters. 91 meter, but see there is no number over here, it is a single number, so what you are going to do, 40 centimeter. Because this 4 will become 90.40 meters, okay, when you convert it, because see there should be two numbers after the point. Seven meters and 2 centimeters. Just 9 centimeters. Question number 4. Write how many meters in decimal form. So first you should see after the point at centimeters place there should be two digits, okay. So there are two digits. So what you will do, first you will write 50 point and how many meters, 1. So it is 1.50 meters, okay. Then or just write m. Second sum, 50.40 meters, because there are two digits, no, at centimeters. Now let us do the third sum. 50 meter is equal to 4 centimeter. See, after the point there should be two numbers, but here there is just one number. So what you are going to do? You are going to write 4, but there should be another number. So what you will do? You will put 0, then point, then 50. So it is 50.04 meters. Then 734 centimeter. Now remember, 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter, right children? 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Now 734 centimeter. So for first what you will do, you will write 34.7 meter, okay, because 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 734 centimeter is equal to 7 meter. So it is 7.34 meter. Now 10 centimeter. So there are two digits at centimeters place. So after the point there are two digits, but here there is no digit. no value at meters place, so you will write 0.10 meter. Okay, now 2 centimeter, so you will put point, then you will write 2, but you need to have two numbers, so 0.2 and here also 0, so it is 0.02 meters. Now in this question number 5, how we had solved the previous sum, similarly you are going to solve this sum also. You should remember 1 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeter. Okay, so now 6.9 centimeter. So how you are going to write 6.9 centimeter, children? See, there should be 2 digit after the point, but there is just 1 digit. So what you are going to do, 0.9 so it is 6 meter. See, you're going to write 6 meter and 0.9 6 centimeter and 0.9 millimeter. Okay, there should be 2 digits, right children? There should be always 2 digit at millimeters place, because there are 2 digits after the point. If there is 1 digit given, then you should assume that you have to put 0. Now 20, see here also there is 1 digit, so what you are going to do, 20 centimeter and 0.4 millimeter. Now here 0.8 centimeters, so there is no value at centimeters place, it is just 0.8 centimeter, but you can't write 0.8 centimeter, you have to write 0.8 millimeter. Okay, 0.5 centimeter, so how you are going to write 0.5 millimeter, because there is no value at centimeters place, it's already 0. Now how you are going to put decimal? See, similarly after the point there should be 2 numbers. Okay, for example 2 numbers, so here it is just 1 number, so what you are going to do, 0, 1 and 7.01 centimeter. Okay, then 16 millimeter. See, 2 digits are there, so after the point first you will write here 0.16 centimeter. 144 millimeter. Now 1 meter is equal to 1 centimeter is equal to 100 millimeter, right? So 1.44 centimeter, because there are 2 digits at, you require 2 digits at millimeters place. Then 8 millimeters, so it is 0.08 centimeter, because there should be 2 digits after the point. Okay, with this we have come to the end of set 39. Please practice the sums, they are very easy but confusing. I am saying it's confusing because there is centimeter, there is millimeter, there is meter, all in one. Then rupees, paise, so you have to be careful while solving the sums. Thank you.